Why are you in the... Oh, good boy. Make you kissy sounds? That's no fun. Why are you hanging out in your cage? It's boring. Hey, buddy. Oh, a duty. Didn't catch that one. You don't like this camera. Will you stop scratching him? You're boring. You're boring, Pepe. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Pepe. Crack your knuckles. I didn't say sneeze. Crack your knuckles. No, not kiss. You give me a kiss? Good boy. Oh crap, your cage is messy. You got a messy cage. You want to bite this camera again, don't you? Yeah. Say something. Oh, where are you going? Get out of there. Come on, charge, Pepe. Come on. Go. How come you're not biting at it? Why are you making kissy sounds? There's no kissing going on. You want a Nutriberry, don't you? Oh, whoa! Crazy bird. Crazy bird. I've learned not to touch Pepe when I have a cell phone or camera in my hand. This isn't Mission Impossible. How'd you make such a big mess in there, huh? Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Pepe, give me a kiss. Kiss. Good boy. Crack your knuckles. Good boy. Yeah, shake your ass. Good boy. Okay, you've had enough.